Open the ICR Tools drawer on the Real Chatbot surface. Metric guidance is a skill because choosing the wrong coefficient can make a clean-looking reliability result meaningless. Choose the Explain Metric Choice command. It stages /text first, so the user sees exactly what will be sent before any response appears. Send the command and read the local guidance. Nominal fields use categorical agreement, ordinal fields should credit near misses, and continuous fields need an ICC-style estimate. Open the actual Fleiss workspace. This dataset has 14 raters assigning diagnosis categories, which is a multi-rater nominal design. Expand the matrix cell and confirm Fleiss kappa around 0.210. If the variable were ordinal or continuous, this is where the user should choose a different metric instead of reusing kappa mechanically.